Want to start an IT career, but don't know which technology to choose?
Today's IT industry offers countless career options, but choosing the wrong path can cost you time and money. Many students join multiple courses, but never master one skill.
Months pass. Kaliederträumen the Countess pass. Interviews don't convert into job offers.
So, what's the right technology to build a successful IT career? The answer is simple. Choose one powerful skill with endless career opportunities. Salesforce is the world's leading cloud CRM platform, trusted by thousands of companies worldwide. Businesses across every industry need skilled Salesforce professionals. Success isn't about learning everything. It's about mastering one valuable skill.
Without guidance, students often jump between courses and struggle to stay focused.
With SkillsMate Solutions, every step is guided by industry experts.
Our structured learning path helps you become job-ready from day one. Learn through real-world Salesforce projects used in actual companies.
Get personalized mentoring whenever you need help. Prepare with mock interviews, resume guidance, and practical interview questions.
One Salesforce skill can open multiple career paths. As your skills grow, your career and earning potential grow too. SkillsMate provides everything you need to confidently start your Salesforce career.
Today's learner becomes tomorrow's Salesforce professional.
Don't waste months chasing every technology. Master one skill that creates endless opportunities.
Join SkillsMate Solutions today. Learn Salesforce, build real-world skills, and shape the career you've always wanted.